Hi, Eyal. Nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you. How are you?
Great. Before speaking about your company, I think I have a more general question about digital financial assets. It's something that's been talked about. I don't think there are people that don't know what Bitcoin is, but these assets aren't used or aren't as widespread as they could be. What do you think the reason for that is?
I think the main reason for that is that and customers, us, we lost the trust in this market. On the last 2 years, we saw many companies that collapsed. We saw FTX, we saw Celsius, we saw Three Arrows. So I think kind of the end user lost the trust, and I think we need to change it. I think we need to rebuild the trust again. And to do that, I think it's crucial for financial institution to be part of this market, to be actually the gateway for us, the end user, to buy and sell digital asset through that existing financial institution.
And what do you think is holding those financial institutions back from having a more widespread offering?
Um, Actually, many challenges, but if I pick some of them, the first challenge is the technology. We are speaking about new technology, we're speaking different technology, we're speaking about technology that the data sit inside the technology. And financial institutions are not tech companies, so it's a huge challenge for them. And to do a single transaction with digital assets, you need to work with multiple vendors. You need to work with liquidity provider, wallet solution, custody solution, KYT solution, and in each category you need to work with many of them to create optimization and to create orchestration. And it's become even a bigger challenge for them when they have to work with so many companies that they never work with. And I think the most or the biggest challenge for them to join this market, the risk management in digital assets is different. It's not traditional assets, so they need a new set of tools and a different set of risk management to control these assets. And I think once they find how to solve these problems, we will see them go actively to this market.
Interesting. And you're basically with Crymbo, which is a company in this space. Could you tell us what are the things you like about it? Maybe how it connects to this domain?
Yeah. So we have built actually a tech layer that allow any company that want to trade digital asset or want to offer digital asset. We allow them with our technology. We build a bridge to Web3 solution, DeFi and CeFi, to go into this market. And if I have to choose like the two best features in our platform, first we do orchestration. We orchestrate all your activity on a single platform with a single dashboard with a single API. So basically, just connect to our API and get all the market in the platform. And the second main thing that we support or we offer our clients is a lot of tools to manage the risk. We have built tools that not exist in the market because this market is new for them, but allow them to manage the risk the way the regulation require them, the way they suppose, or the way they're doing risk management on their other businesses. And I can give you some example. For example, we built like a global ledger that contain on-chain and off-chain data on the same ledger. So for the first time, for any transaction, they have a real proof of reserve. They know exactly where each asset belong or sits, and they have a strong management risk on their assets.
Good. And maybe for the last question, what do you think will happen with those assets in the next year? What are some trends?
Um, Basically, in our company, we see the growth of this demand. On the last few months, we see 400% growth in our pipeline. We see that we convert 40% of our pipeline just in the last few months. And not just in our company, we see in the industry, we see a lot of demand out of these companies that want to understand how to add digital asset to their portfolio. And I think in the next 2 years, we're going to see tier three companies go aggressively to this market. And we can see that actually a few weeks ago, we saw Robinhood started to operate in Europe and sell digital assets to all Europe now. So I'm very optimistic, and I think we're going to see the mass adoption in the next 2 years.
Great. Thank you for that. Great
Thank you
meeting
so
you.
much.